In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about the Bluetooth remote control on the THETA Z1 and THETA V. My name is Yuqing, a 360 photographer lover and specialized in one-shot 360 photography. So now, let's get started. This video I'm going to show you how to pair the Bluetooth remote controller with your THETA V or THETA Z1. Because with the latest firmware update, the THETA V and the THETA Z1 all support Bluetooth remote control by default. With the Bluetooth remote controller, not only you can control the camera remotely, but also it will help you to capture the very best moment with very high precision. So first, let's take THETA Z1 as an example, because the THETA Z1 has an on-camera screen, which may make everything easier than the THETA V. My THETA Z1 has already powered up. And next up is to go to the plugin mode. To long press the mode button and go to the plugin menu. Select until you get remote control. Did you see that? And press the shutter button to enable the remote control. And you can see the remote control turn on the left, at the top of the screen. There is a controller icon that is blinking, which indicates that the THETA Z1 is now in the pairing mode. And make sure that your remote control has full power and open up, and they are going to pair automatically. Did you hear that? Now let's go to the exit. On the exit plugin, go to the normal mode, and you can see I put my lavalier mic here. Did you hear that? Yes? That's a lovely sound, right? Isn't it? And once you have paired the Bluetooth remote control with your THETA Z1, so next up, when you open a camera, you don't have to pair it again. It will automatically pair the remote control with your remote controller. Now let's power on the THETA Z1 once again. At the same time, we open the remote controller, and they are going to pair each other automatically. Did you hear that? Once they have automatically paired, the icon will stop blinking, and now you can control your THETA camera with the remote controller. Yeah, that's it. So now you can see my my THETA V has already powered up, and I have opened the Wi-Fi on the camera in the setting menu, in the THETA app, in the settings, and the camera settings. Go to the plugin. We choose I have installed so many plugins, and I choose remote control and bring back and click on start plugin. Once you start plugin, you can see the LED is blinking in a white color, which means that the THETA V cannot pair with the remote control. At this moment, you open up your Bluetooth remote controller. And once again, let's hear the sound. Did you hear that? And that is evidence that successfully paired between the remote control and THETA V. And you can see at this time, the THETA V's, the indicator LED stopped blinking, which means we have already paired each other. So next up, we can get rid of the app. We can control our THETA V with remote controller. Let's hear the sound once again. Did you hear that? Yeah, and just like the THETA Z1, once you have successfully paired the controller with THETA V, next time when you power on, it will automatically connect with your Bluetooth remote controller. You don't have to connect again. That is all you should know about pairing the Bluetooth remote controller with the THETA cameras. You can capture the very best moment at the very best moment. Yes. At the end of the video, one thing I have to mention is that not every Bluetooth remote controller is working with THETA cameras. If you already have the Bluetooth remote controller, I highly recommend you try yourself. And also on the THETA 360 developer communities, we know that the Joby Impulse, the remote switch, also working really well on the THETA cameras. Yeah, and that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.